Welcome to this step-by-step guide on installing Dumawall tiles. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from preparation and planning to cutting, installing, and finishing your tiles for a professional look. Before you start, make sure you have everything you need. Let's begin with the tools. Now, let's look at the materials. Check that your wall is clean, dry, and even. If you're installing over existing tiles, use a degreaser first to remove any residue and ensure proper adhesion. Remove all fixtures such as faucets, shower heads, and any accessories before you begin. Measure your wall and decide where to begin. It's best to start in a bottom corner. Dry fit a few tiles to check alignment and make sure the pattern looks right. Use spacers along the bottom edge, if needed, to help keep the first row level and consistent. Start with the first tile in the bottom corner. For a perfect fit, remove the tongue or groove from the side that will sit against the corner and/or the bathtub. To do this, score along the edge and snap it off cleanly. Once removed, lightly sand that edge with a fine sandpaper to create a smooth, straight surface. Apply the adhesive to the back of the tile in a continuous flowing line pattern. This ensures even coverage and a strong, secure bond. When installing Dumawall tiles in a shower or other wet environment, apply silicone directly onto the dedicated groove on the back of the tile before placing it on the wall. Start with the first tile. Press it firmly into place and check with a level to make sure it's perfectly straight. This first tile sets the foundation for the entire installation. Dumawall tiles are designed for easy installation. They can be cut with standard woodworking tools such as a circular saw or jigsaw. For even faster results, simply score and snap with a utility knife. When drilling holes for pipes or fixtures, use a drill paired with a hole saw for clean, precise cuts. Continue with the next tiles, using the tongue and groove system to interlock them securely. There are two ways to finish the edges of your Dumawall installation. When installed on a backer board flush with the wall, you can finish the edges using a neat bead of caulk. When installed over existing ceramic tiles, you'll also need to hide the exposed edge of the old tiles. In this case, use an L-shaped profile to cover the tile edge. Choose a caulk color that matches your tiles for a seamless look. Apply silicone sealant to all joints and corners, especially in wet areas like bathrooms or kitchens. After application, wipe away any excess sealant for a neat, polished finish. Clean the tiles with a damp cloth and allow the adhesive and silicone to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. And that's it! Your Dumawall tiles are installed and ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching.